person already using the brand new system.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a favorites video. Woo! I haven't done a favorites video in a hot minute and I've been meaning to do one for the longest time. Like I mentioned, I don't plan on doing these monthly because I'm not the type of person that switches out products each month or tries out a bunch of new products every month. Sometimes it could be within 2 months, 3, 4. Honestly, it depends. A lot of the products I have here are more skincare based products, which I'm so excited. I'm hungry. I'm so excited about these products. I'm gonna start with skincare, then makeup, then fashion, and then all the other knickknacks like apps and everything that I've been enjoying lately. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna talk about cotton buds. I don't know if you guys know my friend Dida here on YouTube and in real life as well. Talking about these cotton pads on her channel, and I grabbed them, and let me tell you, she was right. These things are life-changing. I've used the cotton rounds before and I've used the regular cotton balls, and I tell you, these ones are way better. These ones, first of all, don't use up a lot of product like I used to with the others, because the others just never used to get moist quickly, or like I'd feel like not much product in them. These ones are perfect. Two, these are lint free, so they don't leave the small like particles all over your face that are so annoying. Whole pack goes for like 300 and they come with 180 pieces inside, and it's like the most, they just feel plush, they feel expensive, they feel so good on your skin. It just comes looking like this, and what it does is the cotton pad, the cotton itself, like the cotton wool, is like lined in 3 lines, and then it's covered with this sheet of cotton. Oh, made from 100% pure premium cotton, soft and lint free, safe and gentle on the skin, which I honestly agree. I really love this. I've had this since I would say last month or the month before, and I'm still like, I haven't moved a single bit. And I use this, I think, almost every day. Probably one in the morning and one at night, depending on how I'm feeling. But I use this a lot and I haven't even made a dent. So I would honestly recommend this. You can find them at any mini soup. Now, the next skincare product is a MAC product, actually. I didn't know MAC usually carries skincare products. So for me, that is a very weird thing. Like, I was like, oh, so MAC carries skincare products now? Anyway, I got this from the Lenten sale at like a couple months ago, and this is the MAC Lightful C Marine Bright Formula Softening Lotion. So basically it's like a vitamin C lotion, but I don't use it with a cotton pad. I just use it on my hands like an essence toner, and I really love how it makes my skin looking bright the next day. And it smells really nice. It smells so sweet, like not sweet but like perfumed, which it has fragrance, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it works so well. It leaves your skin looking very bright and fresh and youthful the next day, which I really like. This, although is very on the quite pricey end, when it was on sale at that time, it was I think 3,000 shillings. But in store, I think you can find it for 7,000 bob. I know that's a hell of an expensive product, but it works and I've been loving it. So yay, solution. Now the next product is a makeup remover product. It is the Clinique Talk. Whoa. Take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes and lips. This is what it looks like. This is, I think, the mini size, or maybe it comes in this full size. It's about 50 ml. Okay, this is a lot. This is 50 ml. So this is what I use to take out my makeup. I prefer this to the one from Garnier, the oil infused micellar water. I feel like this one works way better and just feels way better on the skin compared to that one. I don't hate the other one. I use this sometimes all over my face because it does have the oil infused, so just like a nice oil cleanse. Or sometimes I will use it when I'm wearing like heavy eye makeup. Like today, I would probably just use a cotton pad and just do like 1 dab. And when I tell you, it gets rid of every trace of makeup. It's so amazing. You can find this at every Clinique store. I know there's one at Garden City. I know Linton stock Clinique products, so I'm sure you can find this. I've been loving this as well. Now the next skincare product is a face mask. I love this brand. I love everything they stand for. I love the aesthetics of their whole brand. The company I'm talking about is Seraphic Skin. So what they have is a range of masks, like face masks. They have the pet night clay, they have the turmeric, they have the peel off, the nose peel, like just a bunch of masks. And they also have, they recently got into makeup, but the mask that I've been obsessed with is the Seraphic Skin Pixie Turmeric Face Mask. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. It has turmeric root powder, collagen, vitamin E, vitamin C, kaolin, hyaluronic acid, and a bunch of other stuff. It has olive oil, shea butter, and everything, squalene, and obviously like the preservatives. What I really like about this product is one, the packaging. Like the whole aesthetic of the company is so pretty, it's so cute, it's so feminine. Inject it, I love it. But what I like about this is usually when you apply like a turmeric mask, it's very drying sometimes, depending on how you mix it, or it can stain your face. This one does none of the above. So it does have like the brightening effect of the turmeric, but also like the moisturizing effects of the shea butter and the vitamin E and the hyaluronic acid. But it also has the detoxifying properties from the kaolin and all those other good stuff. So I really like this mask. I've used it a couple of times before. There's a good amount in there, and a little does go a long way. The next product, the next item, it's a tool. It's like a beauty tool. I love it so much. It's a jade roller. I've been eyeing one of these things for the longest time ever. I see them all over social media and everything, and I was so curious about what it does and how it works and everything until I received my own. So this is a jade roller. This is from the company, I think, Cosmetics. It came in this cute little pouch. I know a lot of other brands stock their own version. I know Colourpop, Fourth Ray, like the sister brand, does have their own selection of like jade rollers. I know Revlon also like does their own jade rollers and everything. You can find them everywhere. Now this one is, like I said, is from Cosmetics, and basically what a jade roller does is you roll it on your face when you're wearing a sheet mask, or when you just put on your serums and all your like liquidy products on your face, and it helps with the absorption of the product. It just helps with like naturally contouring your face, if that makes sense. It helps with lymphatic drainage, it helps with puffiness and all that good stuff. I really like it, and you just feel so spa-like. It's very relaxing on the face as well. You just feel like you're at the spa. Even if you're just at home doing the whole like skincare stuff by yourself, you feel like you're in a spa. Now I absolutely love trying out new foundations, especially like high-end foundations, because I know when a foundation is expensive, then it does really good. So I did manage to get my hands on the Clarins Everlasting foundation. I've heard good things about Clarins foundation in the shade 115, I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'm going to leave it on the screen. I don't want to embarrass myself. This foundation is so stunning. It's what I'm wearing today. Actually, it is a bit tan on my face. It actually matches my forehead and not my cheeks, which, like I said, I don't mind. I like tan foundations. First of all, the packaging comes in the frosted glass, which I guess shows that the foundation has like a matte finish. I've realized that's the vibe that a lot of brands do. The bottle is frosty, then it has a matte finish. If it's glossy, then you're gonna get like a more dewy, hydrating finish. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so sleek. It looks very expensive, and it looks very chic. And when I tell you, even the way it feels on my skin, I don't feel like I'm wearing any foundation right now. It's not fully matte. I feel like it has like a satin dewy finish, which I love. Like that's my ideal foundation finish. This one is it just hits the spot. So want it a couple. I did get this like back in June, and I've been obsessed with it. It does have SPF 15, so that means, like I always say, SPF at night causes flash. So I wouldn't recommend wearing any foundation that has SPF during the night, because it's gonna have flashback, and no one really likes flashbacks. I'd really suggest this during the day. It looks so beautiful on. It looks like very airbrushed, very skin-like. It is kind of expensive, but like I said, sometimes you just need to splurge on a good foundation. I like high-end foundations. I feel like they look really good, but that doesn't take away from like my everyday drugstore. The next product I'm going to talk about is a blush. I love blushes. Blushes have been my thing lately, and I've been wearing them on a regular, and they just look so good. The one I'm going to talk about is actually gifted to me by Yaazzmine Beauty. It is the e.l.f. Rosy Flash blush. It's like a matte finish blush. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. Good thing about this blush is it comes in 2 shades. So it does come with like the mauve rosy blush, and then it comes with like a more skin tone color. You get to mix the two, and you come up with your own like custom blush, if that makes sense. I really like this idea. This was gifted to me by Yaazzmine Beauty, and I've been loving it. I feel like even with the shade, it can act like as a setting powder or whatever. So I like the multi-purpose use of this. So the next current favorite are these earrings I am currently wearing, and they're like tiny hoops. I've always loved hoops, but I find sometimes like the big hoops are quite overwhelming, especially when I'm wearing a hijab. But these ones are like the perfect size. I like how tiny they are, and I also love how they have like the rhinestones around them. Let me show you guys. They are so beautiful. I like how tiny they are. I feel like those rhinestones make them go from everyday to glam. Sunglasses that I got from Forever Trendy. I don't know if you guys Forever Trendy, but they do have like a couple of stores in town, and they are these big ones. Fun story, these were in my bag, and I don't know what happened to them, and they got injured. My sister tells me like I should apply something else on the set to make them look the same. But I really like these sunglasses. I like big sunglasses, especially on days where I have no makeup on. They're so big and just so bad and bougie, and they just cover like 3/4 of my face. And see how good these look? They look so good. And I like how square they are. They just feel like I am minding my own business and you shouldn't talk to me, basically. So I love these. They do go for like 800 shillings, which for me it's like very affordable, and they are very good quality. Bought sunglasses from them a couple of times and they have lasted me quite some time. Now the next item is a bag. If you guys don't know, I love thrifting. Thrifting for me is so therapeutic and it's so fun and it's so exciting. I think I should do like a come thrifting with me video, like where I take you guys around and show you how I thrift and everything. Let me know if you guys are interested in that type of video. The bag I'm talking about is this blue woven bag. It's so cute. I got it when I was going for Lamu. I got it from Gikomba by day for like 150-200 bob, which is so beautiful. I love the wooden handle, and I have like a matching abaya that goes with it exact, and I wasn't planning on it to match, but they did so perfectly and they looked so good together. I like the contrasting like yellow wooden vibes of this, like the bamboo style of handle and then the woven. Now I wouldn't advise to put a lot of things in this bag because the handles are not comfortable, so they kind of get painful, especially if you want to carry it like this. So possessions, I love this stuff. I love this bag. Now I've been obsessed with wrap skirts lately. Wrap skirts have been so they look so good, and I just discovered them and I figured out how to make them modest, and they look I sound crazy, but they look so good and I've been loving them. So the first one I'm going to talk about now is this one that has, first of all, it's animal print. I love animal print. Cheetah, snake, zebra. This is like a zebra print but has like the browns and nudes that I really like. Oh my god, this is like a skirt made in heaven. I love the way, I'm gonna leave a picture here so you guys can actually see it. It kind of cinches on one side, so it like ruches and stuff. It's so pretty, it's so feminine, it's so, I love it. I do have them in various styles. Next thing is a square scarves. As you guys know, I recently found my interest in like square scarves, printed square scarves, and they look so good. This one is like more of a cotton fabric, which I like because it doesn't slip around like the satin ones in most square scarves come in, but this is square. And the reason why I love this one because it has like a vintage Versace style vibe all over it. It's black, so beautiful, and has like baby blue details. I'm gonna leave a picture of me wearing this as well. It's so pretty. I have another one which is more like pinky, and it is a white satin scarf with like pink, purple, golden flowers. I've been loving square scarves. I feel like they're so chic. I feel like a Parisian walking down the streets of Paris. Yeah. I'm going to talk about an app that I've been loving, which I don't know if this app is going to make me sound old. So I recently found out about Adobe Fill and Sign. Basically it's by Adobe. I really hate going to scan documents. I hate like downloading them, signing them, and then scanning them back and sending them back. It can be expensive, especially if you're doing that a lot. So I recently discovered this app, and basically you just upload the PDF file on there. You get to sign it with like your finger and you're good to go. I don't have such a complex signature, so it's very easy for me to do. So it's very convenient, very cheap, and I don't know, I just love it. The next app that I love is Safe Border. I don't know if you guys know about this app, but it's like the Border app. So efficient. I love the fact that the new update has not just write but also pick up a good. Like these small things is what makes me so excited, you know. I really love that app. The next app I'm going to talk about is Glovo. They're like a food delivery app. Can we just talk about how efficient they are? Glovo are so efficient and so quick and so professional with how they deal with things. They're so good. I've tried Jumia, I've tried Uber Eats, but I don't think the user experience that Glovo delivers, I don't think there's any company that lives up to the Glovo user experience. That's it. Those are all my current favorites, things I've been obsessing over lately, things I've been using a lot lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorites are down below in the comment section, and I will definitely check them out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.